There you go. Hello, friends. So today we're going to do an after winter maintenance. It was not their fault. It did not get done, but it's in pretty rough shape. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Till you open the door. Bam! This is my mom's car. Now, the reason that I'm telling you that it is my mom's car is because you're going to see in the seat, Bella has been here. But that's okay. I can take care of that. But look at that carpet. She does not have floor mats. I cannot figure out what I gotta do to get her to get floor mats. But I think I found a solution. Bam! I took these from another detail that I did. I offered to pay the lady. She said no, she was going to throw them away. My original intent was to use them in a car lot vehicle because a lot of them come to us with no floor mats. I'll explain that to you in a little while. So she gave them to me, and these are going to go in my mom's car. Nobody else ever rides in this car, hardly ever, except my nephew maybe once in a while and my dad once in a while. So these have a home because this is crazy. Now, as I said, this is an after winter detail. This did not get done during the winter time. Now, I have explained in my videos before, especially when I did my dad's expedition or his work truck, that the weather this past January, today is Thursday, March 21st. You're not going to see this video until June. If that gives you any idea of how busy I have been. And I haven't even done a video on everything. Let's take a look at this. So anyway, in January, it was extremely cold. February was not much better, but it did get a little bit better. But it was still very cold. And I'm not going to detail in the cold. I can't. Now, that will kind of tell you a little bit about what we're dealing with here at this new shop. So here at this shop, we pay rent for nothing more than the building. We do not have heat provided, no water, but we do have electricity. So when it comes to detailing, I have to have my own heat source. We did take care of that. However, when it's 20 below zero, which is what it was in January, absolutely not am I getting out and going to do a detail. So as I have explained in the past, I am a diabetic. Even though I manage mine with diet, I still have symptoms of being a diabetic. And I'm not young anymore, okay? Being 52 years old, your skin gets thinner. You are not able to handle the cold longer. And as a diabetic, the circulation is not that great anyway. So my hands and my feet and my face will get extremely cold within 10 to 15 minutes, frostbite cold. And so I am doing my best to catch up on family vehicles. Now, if you want to learn how to detail, if you're one of those people who wants to learn, I always say get into car lot detailing because you're going to learn a lot there. When it comes to developing your system and things like that, and perfecting your art, so to speak, work on your family vehicles. Just saying, work on them. So this video is about a lot of different things. One of which is, guess what's in here? I have scrimped and saved and finally decided to get one. I did not buy a brand name for a reason. I am not the type of person that feels like you can accomplish the job with only the brand names. So I went with a generic brand, but there you go. I got one of these Tornador tools, but I got a generic brand. This is from Gosida. I don't know how to say that name. So anyway, we're gonna get this connected and give it a try, especially on Mama's carpets, because you know, they give new meaning to looking rough. So let's get started with the day. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take out the personal items if it's a family member's car. Just put them off to the side because you're going to put them back. If it's an outside detail, you would tell them prior to the detail to take their personal items out. And if they leave them in the center consoles or the glove boxes, just don't detail them. That's all. I'm being nosy. These are the t-shirts we had when my daughter was sick. She wanted to reach 1,000 t-shirts, I think it was. Anyway, it was 1,400 is what we reached. And Mama still has these in a bag in her car. Don't know why, but hey. Whatever it is, it is. So let's start vacuuming and see how well it loosened that stuff up. Woo! I like it. The one thing I noticed that it did do is it got the gunk out of here better. It got the gunk out of here better, out of here, and I think it did a better job on the cage, the speaker cage. Look at all the stuff I blew back here from the front. That's okay. That means I'm getting it out of the places that weren't showing, weren't telling me, get there. The air hose blew this to the back. Yay! I think I'm gonna put this in a spray bottle. I'm having a hard time holding this, but that's not because of the bottle, it's because of my hand. I have carpal tunnel really bad. So I think I'm gonna put this in a different spray bottle. you see that mess? Whole bunch of dirt all over it. So, after a whopping 4 hours to get this car back up to par, and playing around with the air tool, trying to get comfortable with it, find different ways I could use it, things like that. And the car looks great. I mean, it really turned out great. First, let me apologize to my mom for having to wait. There's been a lot going on. Tax time has been grueling. Plus, I had outside details, plus my part time job. So, I apologize, Mom, for putting you on hold, but I hope that you're happy with the clean car and it's all reset. And I'll see you in a few months. Anyway, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. If you'll take a minute to hit that like button, maybe leave me a comment or a video idea. I would love to have that. And if you'll hit that subscribe button, I would love to have you on my channel. So thanks for hanging out on my channel for just a minute. And until the next one, guys, remember, take care of you, your family, and your home, and then get to detailing. See you later.